How to fix Discord auto disconnect on Discord. Today guys, I have the solution how to fix and solve this problem. Just watch this video till the end. So let's start. So first you have to go and open the settings of your phone. After this, go directly to apps or applications. Here you will find all the applications that you have on your phone, so you will search now just for Discord. When you found Discord, just open it like this and then go directly to storage. On storage, go to the last button, clear data, click OK and go back and click on force stop and click OK. And don't forget the last things is going to Play Store and updating your Discord again. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like, also subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.